guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, comment. You can also request a topic for me to cover in revision questions. Welcome. The first question, this is a Form 1 biology question paper. The first question is define biology. Of course, biology is the study of life. State and explain three main branches of biology. I've listed three. Botany, which is the study of plants. Zoology, study of animals. Microbiology, study of microscopic organisms. State three importances of studying biology. It helps to solve environmental problems. It helps to acquire scientific skills, e.g. collection of data. Helps to understand developmental stages. Name three careers that require biology. Career like medicine, horticulture, a biology teacher, etc. List three environmental problems that are solved by studying biology. One is pollution, the one is drought, food shortage, poor health, and conservation of resources. Question number 4 is complete the table below about subdivisions of biology. You've been given a branch, then you define. Entomology is the study of insects. Genetics is the study of inheritance and variation. Cytology is the study of cells. Ornithology is the study of birds. Ichthyology, the study of fish. Ecology is the study of living organisms and their surrounding. Anatomy is the study of internal structures of living organisms. Morphology is the study of external structures. Physiology is the study of body functions. Histology is the study of tissues. And virology is the study of viruses. State 8 characteristics that make organism to be called a living organism. Nutrition, which is acquiring and utilizing of nutrients. Growth and development, which is permanent increase in size and complexity. Respiration, sensitivity, excretion, movement, which is change in position or place, and then reproduction, which is giving rise to an organism of the same kind. How does nutrition differ in plants and animals? Plants make their own food and therefore they are autotrophs, while animals depend on already made food, so we say they are heterotrophs. An aeroplane is said to move from one place to another and give exhaust gases, but it is not classified as a living organism. List other characteristics of living organisms that do not occur in motor vehicles. Of course, they do not grow, growth and development, irritability, and also they do not reproduce. State the characteristic illustrated by the photo. That is a crocodile that is feeding on something, so it's nutrition. Movement is shown there, an ostrich moving. Name the most suitable apparatus used to correct the following specimen for study in the laboratory. Grasshopper apparatus is a sweep net. Rat, the apparatus is bait trap. Fish, the apparatus is fish net. Ants, the apparatus is a potter or pitfall trap. Stinging nettle, a pair of forceps. Below is an apparatus that is used to trap specimen. Identify the apparatus. Supposed to identify that apparatus and then you state the function of it. So I think it's a pitfall trap. State the purpose of the Petri bulb R. That is to prevent entry of rainwater and sun rays. What is a specimen? It's a whole or part of an organism being studied. Precautions that are made during correction and observation of specimen: do not harm the specimen during correction, do not destroy the natural habitat of a specimen. Highly mobile animals should be immobilized, and then you should return the specimen back to their environment or their habitat. That photograph represents a magnifying lens or a hand lens. The parts: S is frame, T is convex lens, and U it's a handle. State the function of the apparatus. It is to make small objects appear big, or to magnify, in short. A student observing a head of an insect using a hand lens. Write the formula of magnification, and that is done. So magnification is drawing length over actual length. So she made a drawing of a head whose length was 3 centimeters. The magnification was ×2. You are supposed to calculate the actual length. So actual length is equals to the length of the drawing, that is over the actual length. So you use that formula, you get 1.5 centimeters. State the differences between plants and animals. Animals have specialized or complex excretory organs. Plants have simple excretory organs. Animals reproduce quickly, plants reproduce slowly. Animals' growth occurs all over the body. In plants, it occurs only in the specific areas, such as the meristematic tissues. Animals are heterotrophic, so they depend on already made food. Plants are autotrophic. Animals, they have cells that have no cell walls. Plants have cells that have cell walls. Animals lack chlorophyll, while plants have chlorophyll. Define the following terms. A taxon: it's a group of organisms with similar characteristics. Species: it's a group of organisms that can naturally interbreed to give rise to a viable offspring. State 2 reasons that make scientific name to be written in Latin language. It is to avoid confusion, because scientific names are known worldwide, not countrywide, worldwide. So there is no confusion. Importances of classifying organisms is to place the right organisms in correct groups for reference. Helps us to understand the evolutionary relationship between organisms. And then it places organisms with similar characteristics together. State all the taxonomic units in a descending order. So kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. The next question is, apart from Plantae and Animalia, name 3 other kingdoms of classification and give an example. We have kingdom fungi, example is a mushroom. Protoctista, example is amoeba. Monera, example is bacteria. What is binomial nomenclature? It's assigning 2 scientific names to a living organism, or it's the scientific double naming of living organism. State 3 rules. Genus name should start with a capital letter, while species name should start with a small letter. The name should be printed in italics or underlined separately. So those are some of the rules. The scientific name of a pawpaw is Carica papaya. Which taxonomic unit is represented by Carica? That is genus. Mistakes: they started the genus name with a small letter and then species name with a capital letter. And those are the 2 because they have already written them in italics. Writing the name correctly, you're just supposed to underline that name. The scientific name of a tiger is Panthera tigris and a jaguar is Panthera onia. State the reason why a tiger and a jaguar cannot interbreed, yet they belong to the same genus. These 2 organisms, they belong to the same genus Panthera, but they are in different species. One is in tigris and the other one is onca. So because they belong to different species, then they cannot be able to interbreed to give rise to a viable offspring. This last question shows the light microscope. You're supposed to study it and answer the questions. You're supposed to name part A up to part H, part L. Part A is the eyepiece, B is coarse adjustment knob, C is fine adjustment knob, D is body tube, E revolving nose piece, F it's a hyper objective lens condenser, G H is mirror, and then L is base. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment. See my channel playlist. It has a lot of revision material. Thank you for watching.